how to restore home screen layout and wallpapers from backup on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. In here, tap on restore data. Next, we then scroll down and select the phone that you want to restore from the backup. Now in here, I'm going to deselect all and I'm going to scroll down and tap on home screen. Then tap on restore and then tap on yes. So it said here restore sync and backup settings. So tap on yes, then tap on install, and that's it. So we just wait for the restore to complete. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.